Now I will show you how to customize Microsoft Access forms, font, text box, colors using this color scheme, this one. So I will use these colors either for font, text box, or the forms itself. So how? Okay, now let's start. So presuming that this is our pattern image, so just select this one and right mouse click, then open with Paint. So this is our color scheme. So let's say we will use this color, this blue, into our form. Here I will make it form header. Okay, let's say we will use this color here. So how? Again, we'll go to Paint, go to drop or color picker, just click and select this one. So now we have a color selected, then go to edit colors. So you can use this RGB, you can put in BVE, or we can use the hex editor, color hex editor. So we will use this RGB. Okay, now we will go to Google, then here RGB to hex. So just copy 68 204, then 216. Now click convert to hex. Automatically the particular color will appear. So now you can use this hex code. Copy and go to your form, then here header, or I will put in the detail. Just select this detail and go to format tab, here back color, just paste that one, tab and paste, lock. So this is the color based on our pattern. Look, then again we will use also the same process. We will use also this color into our form header. Same, just select this color picker, then go to the specific color, just select this one, then again go to edit colors, and now we will copy this RGB. So 49 53 64, then convert, lock. Now just copy this one, go to our form header and back color, just paste that one. So now we have header, form header, and we have also our detail color or background color here. So you can put also our, let's see how to customize one. I will just make it bigger. Now we will go to here, then we will use this one. Again, just select this color picker, then click, then go to edit colors, then again 153 convert. Now we can use this one into our this one. So 4 color, here. So not visible, I will put here. Okay, this is how easy. So just select any templates that you want and use this process. Again, just go to example. I will go to new, then let's see, I will diagrams. Let's say we will use also this one as our pattern. I will remove this one. So just, this is our PowerPoint format. Just right click, then save as, then JPEG. I will put in desktop, then new scheme, color scheme, save. So this is now the JPEG. So I can close this one, and this is the one. So again, just select this one, right click, then open with pen. Now we can use these colors. Again, we'll click this one, then we'll select edit colors. Again, 244 141 0, convert. Now we can use this one to our database, this one for color. So I can insert also the text box here, then back color, lock. So it's easy. Mostly I use these tricks in order to use the particular color that you want. Even you don't have any experience in graphics, just use this process so you can customize your database form, font, and text box. Thank you and God bless.